Hello guys, in this short video, I would like to test Coil Whine on the Gigabyte AORUS Master RTX 5090. I have done the unboxing video of it a while ago, and here I leave you with different footages in different usage scenarios at high FPS. As you have heard, there is literally zero coil whine with the AORUS Master RTX 5090, at least this unit. I'm very impressed by it, especially because my MSI Supreme RTX 4090 used to have a very loud coil whine. So I know how annoying it is. I also found this GPU to have a very quiet fans. So guys, I just wanted to share this in case you are looking for a 5090 model that potentially has zero coil whine. I hope you found it useful. I'm also going to test this GPU force fan, also known as a screen fan cooling. So we'll see if it's going to help with cooling, along with another OC video for this same GPU. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and sub to the channel. See you in the next one.